Welcome to another in-depth look at a truly iconic and versatile vehicle, the Volkswagen Kombi Pickup. This classic is not just a mode of transport, it's a piece of cultural history, loved for its practicality, charm, and timeless design. Starting with the left side, the Kombi Pickup presents a distinctive and immediately recognizable silhouette. The flat front end, with its short nose and large wraparound windshield, gives it a friendly, approachable appearance, while the straight body lines and squared-off edges reflect its utilitarian roots. The single cab design flows seamlessly into the flatbed at the rear, which is surrounded by drop-down sides for easy loading and unloading. The steel wheels, usually painted in a simple color to match or complement the body, are wrapped in durable tires that fit the Kombi's practical nature. Chrome hubcaps and minimal trim add just a touch of style without overshadowing its work-ready look. From this angle, you also notice the placement of the sliding or hinged side doors, providing easy access to the cabin. On the right side, the Kombi Pickup maintains perfect balance and symmetry in design. The proportions between the cab and the flatbed are well thought out, offering ample space for cargo without making the vehicle too long for tight urban streets. The right side's bodywork often features additional tied-down hooks and functional panels that hint at its hard-working capabilities. The rear wheel arches curve smoothly into the bed sides, and the drop gates are practical for loading from multiple directions. The simplicity of the design is one of its greatest strengths, allowing for versatility in both personal and commercial use. From this view, you can also appreciate the elevated stance, which provides a good driving position while still keeping the center of gravity low for stability when carrying loads. Step inside, and the dashboard greets you with the unmistakable charm of vintage Volkswagen design. Instead of a modern cluster of touchscreens and complicated electronics, you're met with a steel dash panel painted to match the exterior, punctuated by simple, clearly labeled controls. The large, round speedometer sits prominently in the center, flanked by smaller gauges for fuel and warning lights. The steering wheel is large and thin-rimmed, designed for easy maneuvering at low speeds, especially without power steering. Switchgear is minimal, with manual knobs and levers for ventilation, headlights, and wipers. The cabin is utilitarian yet comfortable, with a bench seat upholstered in vinyl or cloth, built to withstand heavy daily use. Large windows and slim pillars give an airy feel to the interior, enhancing visibility and adding to the sense of space. Every element inside serves a purpose, and the simplicity makes it easy to maintain for decades. Under the hood, or rather, at the rear where the engine is housed, you'll find the classic air-cooled Volkswagen powerplant. Most Kombi pickups of this era were powered by a 1.5 or 1.6-liter flat-4 engine, producing modest horsepower but excellent torque for its size. These engines were legendary for their reliability, ease of maintenance, and ability to run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers with basic care. The rear engine layout gave the Kombi excellent traction, especially when carrying heavy loads, and its simple mechanical components meant repairs could be done quickly and cheaply, often with just basic tools. While it won't win any drag races, the Kombi Pickup's performance is about steady, dependable delivery rather than speed, making it perfect for both city deliveries and light rural work. The sound of the air-cooled engine is instantly recognizable to enthusiasts, a mechanical heartbeat that adds to its character. When it comes to price, the Volkswagen Kombi Pickup has evolved from being an affordable utility vehicle to a sought-after classic, with values reflecting its collectible status. Back in its working days, it was an economical choice for small businesses, farmers, and tradespeople. Today, prices vary widely depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. A rough, project-ready example might be found for a relatively modest sum, but fully restored, showroom-quality Kombi pickups can command impressive prices, sometimes reaching into the high five-figure range. Well-preserved originals with matching numbers and period-correct features are especially prized by collectors. The combination of vintage charm, practical usability, and strong enthusiast demand means these vehicles tend to hold an even increase in value over time. The Volkswagen Kombi Pickup is more than just a utility vehicle, it's a cultural symbol that has transcended its original purpose. It represents an era when vehicles were designed with straightforward engineering, timeless styling, and the flexibility to serve multiple roles. Whether used for hauling goods, converted into a mobile coffee bar, or lovingly restored for weekend drives, it continues to inspire admiration and nostalgia wherever it goes. Its simple mechanics, distinctive looks, and enduring popularity ensure that it will always have a place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts and casual admirers alike. The Kombi Pickup isn't just about transportation, it's about community, memories, and a lasting connection to a more hands-on, mechanical era of driving.